Today we're going to read parentheses and ellipses. That's two types of punctuation marks that a lot of people forget about, but they're important. Let's see what the book says. The house at the end of the street looks creepy. Your friends think it is haunted. You don't think so, though. You turn on your flashlight and see two beady eyes. Everyone else runs, but you look closer. Then you see a tail flick. It's just a black cat. Parentheses and ellipses are like extras in a play. They may not seem very important, but you need to have them around just in case. Some sentences need these punctuation marks. An ellipsis is a set of 3 dots. Use the plural ellipses to talk about more than one set of 3 dots. Sometimes a sentence trails off. Other times you want to show a pause in a thought or speech. You can use an ellipsis in both of these cases. As he slowly opened the door, Landon's heart raced faster. The ellipsis above adds a feeling of suspense. We don't know what will happen next. An ellipsis in the middle of a sentence acts like a break in the action. A face appeared at the window, and then it was gone. What if you used a comma instead of an ellipsis? A face appeared at the window, and then it was gone. That would be correct. A comma comes before a coordinating conjunction to join two complete thoughts. A comma also signals a pause, but it is not as dramatic as an ellipsis. Look at the examples below. Where would you put an ellipsis to show a break or slow down in the action? Number 1, was that a curtain flapping or a ghost? Number 2, Annika tiptoed across the creaky floor and Max followed her. Now, if you can read upside down, you can read the answer. Was that a curtain flapping, ellipsis, or a ghost, question mark? Number 2, Annika tiptoed across the creaky floor, ellipsis, and Max followed her, period. Ellipses often show where words are left out. A direct quotation is enclosed by quotation marks. If you do not need to use all the words in the quotation, you put an ellipsis where the text was. Let's say your school paper ran a story about Halloween costumes. The following could be a direct quotation. This Halloween, everyone wants to be a vampire. Vampire costumes are flying off the shelves. Start carrying garlic now. You could shorten that quotation by using an ellipsis. Look for words that are not necessary to complete a thought. These words can be replaced by an ellipsis. This Halloween, ... Vampire costumes are flying off the shelves. What you should not do is change the meaning of the original text. If you cut certain words from the previous example, you could be left with a completely different idea. Everyone wants to be a vampire. Start carrying garlic now. That's not what we meant at all, was it?